Hello students, welcome you all on Wikipedia Global. So my dear students, if you are pursuing your master's or MS program and want to pursue your higher degree, that is PhD, from the world topmost universities, then in this video I am going to tell you some great opportunities and some research area in which as a CSC student you can pursue your higher, or I can say the PhD degree. In this video, I am going to cover the Imperial College London, which is under top 10 QS ranking. First of all, my dear students, while applying for the PhD program, you have to find out the correct or the collaborative or the aligned area of your interest. You have to find out in which particular area you want to pursue your PhD degree. Right now, we have a lot of area related to artificial intelligence, machine learning, image processing, natural language processing, then talking about IoT, talking about distributed system and other stuff. So my dear students, I am going to tell you in Imperial College London what different options you have. First of all, my dear students, what you have to do is you have to go and type the Imperial College PhD program, and when you type it, you are going to land on a page that is PhD page, and here you are going to find out some basic information of the PhD courses. As you see here, they are mentioning it normally takes between 3 and 4 years of full-time work to complete, and it is also possible to undertake a PhD part-time over 5 to 6 years. It means if you are going for your PhD program full-time, then it will take 3 to 4 years. But in India, sometimes it will take more than 5 years also. So my dear students, personally, I advise or suggest you that if you want to go for your PhD program, try to go for the world topmost QS ranking college. Here they are mentioning about some different routes to go in PhD programs by undertaking a course of study based on your own research proposal. It means you have to mention your own research proposal on which particular domain you are going to do your PhD, and if a professor is showcase the interest in that area, then again you can pursue your PhD in that particular area. The second mode is by joining a research project that comes with funding attached. Fine, my dear students, you can go for a project and you can continue your PhD in that particular project. Now, my dear students, if I talk about the different areas or different schools or the centers, you can see here we have different departments, schools and other centers. Like as a CSC student, you can go in computing department, you can go in electrical and electronics engineering department, and you can go in some of the base standard global challenge institute, that is data science institute, in security science and technology institute. Fine, my dear students. So the first point is here the basic requirement. Whenever you are trying to go for the PhD program, the main focus you should be in which area or in which domain you are a bit interested, and you have to find out a particular professors, their research work, and then you have to go in that particular domain. So how to find out the different area of research? First of all, I'll tell you, like in Imperial College of London, if I talk about the PhD in the case of artificial intelligence, they have if I talk about basically the artificial intelligence, here you can see the department is actively involved in a number of center for doctorate training, such as UKRI Center for Doctoral Training in AI for Healthcare, UKRI Center for Doctoral Training in Safe and Trusted Artificial Intelligence. In the Department of Artificial Intelligence, and find out your area of research. Now, whenever you want to find out the different areas, you can see here the research is going on in these different areas in the Department of Computing, that is analysis and verifications, artificial intelligence, data science, programming language, cyber security, software engineering, system, theory and algorithm, visual computing and other. So my dear students, first of all you have to find out in which area you want to go. Suppose I am bit interested in artificial intelligence. So I have to click on the artificial intelligence, and here you can find out the different faculties. First of all, these are the groups and centers under artificial intelligence, and below that you have to find out or go with the profile of each and every professors, because you have to show that in which you have to find out that your area of interest align with these professors or not. Suppose that these are the list of professors. Suppose that if I talk about Mr. Jim, he is a senior professor and his area of interest in practical application of symbolic reasoning process. So if I talk about the profile of and on Professor Jim, you can find out the selections of publications. Fine, here you can find out the selection of publications. He is already published some paper in agent making moral decisions. He is already published paper in synchronization protocol for reliable communication in fully distributed system. And again in this way you have to find out the research areas, and please my simple suggestion is go with their some publications. Fine, read out their algorithm, read out their paper, what type of problem they solve. Again if I talk about like Professor Mark, he is working in statistical machine learning, robotics, control, time series analysis. So when I click on the Professor Mark, maybe data is not updated. So talking about the Professor Andrew, he is working in computer vision, robotics and their SLM and augmented reality. As we know, augmented reality is one of the need of future. Fine. So talking about his research area, you can find out all the details of Andrew and publications, their background, their teaching, their software and all this stuff. So in this way my dear students, first of all you need to find out the research area in which you are interested, and that research area align with which of the particular professors. Fine my dear students, that is the most important part for a PhD scholars. So if you are a bit interested, then please go ahead and try to find out all this stuff. And if you are finding any problem, then you can contact to YourPedia global executive team, and we are going to clarify all your doubts. Thank you so much. This video is for Imperial College London. Thank you.